morning, March 14th, 2025. All right. I got up the daily chart. Just had to make sure my volume worked. Got the daily chart up there. And, oops. All right. Daily chart. Got a little Elliott wave, little indicator on here. We came down and looked potentially, this is all potential, right? Elliott, so you got a wave 1, 2, we got our 3 down move. We hit our zone, boom, boom. We potentially could come down even further. So that is also still a possibility. We haven't done anything in here today. We're just kind of in the inside this morning. We haven't broken out the bottom or the top from yesterday's candle and the daily. But potentially we could still come down to either the bottom or come all the way down to the 261.8, which is way down here, which kind of lines up to this double bottom down here, potentially, or a triple bottom. So just throwing it out there. Not saying we are. Thinking is that if we did come down and hit as far as we needed to go down, then we would look for a little move up, and that little move up would be somewhere around here. I call it playing box to box. So we hit this box down here, which is a typical wave 3 target, 61.8 to, yeah, I don't even remember. There you go. So 161 to 200%. So potentially we've hit our target down here. That's the little green box. And now if we're looking for wave 4 up, we would come up here. Now what I'm trying to figure out is if this is going to be what I call, and these are my terms, but I call it either a simple wave 4 retracement or a complex wave 4 retracement. So the simple would be just, okay, we came down, we're going up to the 23.6 to the 38.2, and then we would come down, okay, to 100%, down here towards the bottom. So that's what I would call a simple. A complex, again, these are my terms, they're not official terms, is something like this, where you'll get a move up more like an M pattern, or it doesn't even necessarily have to be an M pattern, but it's just more of a come down, go back up, come down. But I kind of got that, and you only get one. So you either get it in wave 2 or you get it in wave 4, one of the two. So the question is did we get it here, right? So wave 2 move up. If I put my fib up here, okay, we came up to the 78.6, rejected, came down, and went back up a little further. Now we can go up to 100%. We got up pretty high, so which is acceptable, right? But this is what I would then call maybe a complex wave 2, which is potential. Right, so if that's the case, then this would just be a simple wave 4, where we would just go up and then come down. So those are your two scenarios for me. How long could this take? Wave 4, really don't want to play them. It's a lot of choppiness, a lot of up and down. So they're nasty. They're designed, just like wave 2, they're designed to take your money. So the wave 3, that's where you make your money. So that's what you're left with. So box to box, you can play it from here. See if we come up here. Might take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 6 days. We just took 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's just go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. let's call it 4 to 6 days. So could we do all of next week just coming up here? Yep. Could we do it in one day? Yep. So you just don't know. We don't have to come all the way back down here to the bottom, right? We could just cruise up, come down around here, and then take off if they're going to go up with it, if this is complete. So you would come down 3, 4, 5, maybe do a little ABC, or 1, 2, 1, 2, and then up and out. So that's the way I read it. It's not, I'm not an Elliott Wave guru or by any means. I've just been watching it over the years, and these are my the ways I see things. So could we wait for this moving average, which I think is the 5-day? Oh, this is 120. Let's see where the 5-day goes. Ooh, a little tight. All right, I'm not ready for that. So we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. I don't know why my box disappeared. So 38.2, 23.6. Okay, going back to the hour chart. Right now we're in the bear zone. I better speed it up. We're in the bear zone, and until we get above it, which is around 5, let's call it 510, 508. If we get above that, then our next target is up here, and so on. This guy's target is 890. So 890, way up here. So we got a little ways to go. We got to get above this first. We might, you know, it open, might even come down to the bottom of the bear zone, test it out, which is bottom control or top control now. These guys are reversed, so, and we're above it, so a good chance that we keep on going up. All right, that's all I got. There's your 15. You got some, you know, really, you got something like that. So you got a lot of resistance up in here, a lot of sell areas. Okay, so London high was right around 545. I'll stick on the 2-minute here, and go from there. Morning, Michael. Pulling out the old Elliott Wave. Haven't had it out in a while. Box to box, line to line, boxes and lines is all you need. All right, I'm not going to do anything this morning. I have a new PA, a new take profit. I didn't trade yesterday, or I didn't stream because I was playing around on Wednesday afternoon with one of the bots I was playing with, and it actually I had it hooked up to my control or my leader account, and for some I didn't mean to do that because I was done trading, and it went on a little glitch, and next thing I know, it popped both of the accounts and took them out. So by accident, it was dummy me. So I fixed that, and I'll never do that again, or at least I'll hopefully have put in systems so that, yeah, it won't cause that problem. So I'll go a little slow this morning, and just going to watch until we can get a little trend going. So that's what I got. Good luck. You got a minute and a half. Okay. Got our little 2-minute pre going on. Okay, so we got the VWAP down at 432. Would not be surprised. Here's the midnight open at 449. You got the 1 minute weighted up at 490. I like the 1 minute, so let's go to the 1 minute. 490 on the 1 minute, 432 on VWAP. We're kind of right in the middle. Here's your, you got 30 seconds. I'm just going to make this line a little thicker. This is the midnight open at 449. One minute tried to hold. Look at this move. Came down below, went back above. Be looking for a move like that today, but we're kind of curling. So let's see what they have in plan. We're up 213, so who knows? All right, there's open. Good luck. Drop down below the 2 minute pre-market. Those are, here, let me turn that off. Yeah, I'm actually not ready for that. Shoot. Okay, I'm going to have to change this. Well, let me make sure nothing's on. I got to change my charts, but I'll do it another time. I'll just go back to my old way. I won't put any bots or anything on. All right, so here we go. First minute's coming out. I always like to mark the 1 minute opening range. There it is. Look at that. Boom, right above. Got above the 1 minute weighted. Trying to bust out above bulls or the bear zone, which is 15 or 19,509. We get above that, and she could be a rockin'. There you go, getting close. Trying to get above. We're at 500, 501. Let's see if we can hold above the 1 minute weighted. 490. I'm going to wait for a little trend to be established, and I'm going to play a little pattern that I'm working on. So I'm going to set my account up for 20 and 40. And 40 points. I actually may just start out with a 20, and they'll do a couple 20s. All right, we got above the 1 minute weighted. We came down and retested it, but a good entry at 91 there. $91 got up to 09. There you go, busting above the bear zone at 509. All the way up at 514. Got sucked back down. Okay, see if we can hold 91 there. That's that 1 minute weighted. My entry right now, I'm actually not interested in entry right now. I'm going to wait a few more minutes. But if I was to get in, it would be somewhere around 85 to 91 long. All right, we're trying to get back above 510 again. Oh, there we go. Oh, sucker fish. I'm going to check. I didn't check my website to check economic calendar. So today, University of Michigan sentiment at 10 a.m. So here's the University of Michigan sentiment. 10 o'clock. Be ready. All right, so I'm looking for an entry. I'm ready now for an entry somewhere around 500 to 511. Again, I don't know if I'm quite ready yet. It's getting close. But let's see if we can get down to 508, 510 area. Maybe not. That might be it right there, 518. Maybe get a little stutter step here, a little drop down. I'll just play one to start with. And then my next trip, if this one's successful, I'll go with 2. 20 and 40. First one I'll go for 20 points. So let's see if I can get on down. 510, 524. Those are my 2 numbers. And it's just kind of a feel thing, right? You're just kind of watching the candle, seeing if it's going to come down that low, first of all. We got a nice move up. 91 was a nice little entry area off that 1 minute weighted. It was a perfect entry. All right, come on, let's get a little retracement down. Come on, a little reverse back. All right, we're at yesterday's high, or I believe it's yesterday's high or yesterday's open, 572. Looks like prior open. So yesterday's open right there at 572. Now yesterday's are the prior open and prior high. They're pretty close on the color lines. Probably ought to change that. All right, we're kind of stalling there. Okay, got to move up, got above that prior open. Let's check out the 2 minute, looking pretty good. Still need a little pullback. We're already almost 100 points off that 91. All right, we're up at Bears Last Stand, 581.25. 15 minutes, just strong. Looking strong. All right, we're still looking for our opening range high, which should be 7 minutes. And it's just straight up too. All right, where are we getting close to that box? No, way up there. Yeah, so this is kind of looking, so we're breaking out of yesterday's open above that and moving on up. Now yesterday's high is the next little point up, which is around 694. 694. know why that box keeps disappearing on me. I think because it's a global. Let me take that out. All charts, just the daily. There, that should keep it there. But that's where we're trying to get to, which is 887. All right, so that's way up there. I'm not worried about that. Not today, anyway. All right, so we're getting our little move back. What I call a little stutter step. We did come back to 572, which was my new potential entry area. I would like 553, I think, for this first one. I don't know if I'll get it. Right now, the breakout above 596 would be my entry to go long again. This is just a little stutter. But let's see what happens. Maybe they'll establish that as our 15-minute opening high at 600. Opening range, the orb. Probably going to get some cues. If I can get them moved down, I'll go ahead and pick up some Q calls. All right, so here we're coming down to 555, so that's kind of my entry area, but I'm just going to kind of let it play out a little bit. That's probably it right there. Probably the 6.5 instead of the 5.5. Okay, we got a brand new 5-minute candle, so we can get a nice little move down. The 15 is still have 4 minutes left, so the orb hasn't been established yet, and I'm going to put something on this chart here. Did I miss that by putting that on there? Maybe. Might have missed it. All right, I'm going to take a long above here. Oops, couldn't get in. Maybe it's a good thing. Come on down. See if we can get 557. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, got 557. I'm going to take it out. Oop, nope. Come on, baby, get back up. All right. Oh, nope. Oh. All right, I'm gonna take that. I'll try to get back in, see if I can get a little bit more of a move down. Yeah, I really don't want to get in yet. Come on, let's go. Push it up. All right, if it comes back down, it's going to get me. Got to see a move up here. Otherwise, I'll just jump out. Let's go. All right, I'm going to reduce my risk there. Oh, what happened? My leader account Ah, you sucker fish. Hold on. Let me get back. Oh. All right, I deserve to get out and get taken out if it comes back down. I didn't have my account set up right. My original entry was around 64. That's where I wanted to be. And I'm going to get a shot at that, you sucker. All right, not quite the action I was looking for. Yeah. My other one got in at 58.75. Okay, I still think that's a good place to go. It just took a little bit longer to get there. Yeah. Oh, come on. Let's go. Get on up there. Get above 600. All right, kind of flubbed that one up. All right, I'm going to wait for my next entry. Dang it. See, the 58 was the right entry. I just didn't have my leader set up right. There's always more trades, so it's okay. I messed that one up. I'll do it again. All right, so now I'm looking for probably 573. I don't really like the 5-minute candles. But we came down to 573 too. I'm going to give this a shot. See if we come back up. Again, I'm not really a big fan of the 5-minute candles. I'm not sure what the heck they're doing. Come on, let's go. See if we can get 25. All right, I just don't like the 5-minute. There we go. Come on, 5-minute. looking for a little more of a movement up. Just not getting it. Usually on these plays, I like to see like a strong 10 to 15 point move. I mean, I guess 82 to 91. I guess we got almost a 10. But come on, baby. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, let's get above 600. All right, I'm going to lock in. Yeah, I don't know why I just don't close it out. Anyway, good trade. It was an okay one. All right, we got above the 15-minute opening range. Coming up to a resistance area. $6.94 is the target. All right, I'm going to wait for one more entry, and that's it. See if we can come back and test the 15-minute opening range. What's the 15-minute look like? Okay, so we got to move down below. Not a big fan of anything yet. We could come up and close the 1-minute gap up to 94. A move back above 600 would be bullish. Got a minute 30 on the 5. A little bit of time there on the 15. try this long here. See if we can get back above the orb. Back up. Come on. Got 15 seconds, so we can get a drop back and push back up. Or just move higher. Oh, you sucker fish. Didn't want that. All right, got to watch it drop below 75. Son of a gun. A drop below 75 is a 5-minute short potential. But I don't see that happening. Not with the 15-minute like it is. I would like to see them move back up and fill that candle out a little greener. See if we can get a push back above 93, 94. But still have a green cloud. Gonna watch it drop below 75 there. All right, well, they filled that one out red, which is a little surprising. That's up, you can see we're in a sell gap, 4-hour sell gap. 15-minute, yeah, I mean, you know, we got up to there, which, okay, so one could argue that this is just a reversal zone, right? I could put that up there, and that would have been a great short, actually. Yeah. Okay, we're up 307 points, so I still should be looking for longs and not necessarily shorts. this was, I think target 1 up here. Yep. Okay, we got some 1 minute gap fills, or no, not very many 1 minute gap fills. Got a little one right here we're in now. Oh, okay, University of Michigan sentiment out. There you go. Woo. Too bad we weren't in that one. Okay, back above VWAP. Came down, took out the low. Trying to move back below VWAP again. Too fast and furious for me. I'm going to just sit on my hands here, be a little cautious. And did I give all this back? 237, we're up. I'll get bearish if we drop below the opening range low, right around 450. And right now, 50% of this range, which I need to put on my chart here pretty soon, so is 525. Color that a little color. So I'm going to put him like Peru. There we go. And I'll label him. Let's just call it 50% of opening range. There we go. All right, we're right at VWAP there. Big drop, University of Michigan sentiment. Off the 15-minute. Wow, that will go right there at 35. We'll see how this one lands out. We came down, almost didn't get the top of the CPR. Came down right to the bottom of the bear zone. Interesting. I mean, right to the tick. Look at the way the line lines up. But I have no interest in playing this right here. Don't diddle in the middle, they say. All right, so I could do something like this. Came up to the 50% so far and rejected, which is also the 1 minute weighted. Let's see how that responds. If we drop back below 500, it might be a short. I'm not ready to go that cowboy yet. Maybe I'll take one there. 1 minute weighted was 523. Nice little reject off that. Okay, we got 1 minute left on the 5 minute. It's almost did a full retracement. Let me get rid of this. Off that candle. So a little more than a minute, we could see a full color pushback. So in other words, it'll fill this right back out, but it doesn't look like it's going to. 31 seconds left. We got to move back above the 1 minute weighted. Let's see if we drop back below it. I might consider going short below 16. One minute weighted at 24. I'm not really interested just sitting there either. Okay, so we got to close above it. There's that 5 minutes. So just put in a big old hammer candle. So I'm going to look for a move back below the 1 minute weighted and see if I can take that. If we drop down, I'll try to get in around 20. Make that 19. But if not, then we'll go higher. There's a push up. So taking that guy out of there. Back to the original University of Michigan sentiment drop. So we've done a full retracement from that move down. And we're now at 293 points. Looks like a long all the way. That was just a buying opportunity. Okay, move back across. Could have taken it long at 545. Darn it. Michael, did you take that? Damn it. No, me neither. That's all right. Don't need to take it. So I'll wait for another move. I need to come back now, so getting a little cross, so we're going to get a little bullish move back up, looks like. But I'm trying to be strategic on my entries. And I'm okay with all that happened right there. That was just a buying opportunity. Right at the bottom of the bear zone. Look at that. Good retracement. But we'll let that play out a little bit. There's the 1 minute. Okay, now I'd look for a move down around 543, 544. Maybe even down to the 1 minute weighted, right? 526. Came up and hit Bear's last stand at 581.25, right to almost to the tick. A little bit higher. Okay. Whew, what do we do here? Sit on my hand. That's what you do. You're not sure, wait it out. There's always moves for later. All right, dropping below the 1 minute weighted, and if we drop and close below that, that could be a 40-pointer. 508. Seconds. 2, 1. All right, I might give it a little shot. What's our ATR? 29? All right, the 40-point mark is right there from the 1 minute weighted. That would be almost down to VWAP at 85. Trying to drop 500. See if we can get that drop below 500. Oh, come on now. Back up to 11. Didn't want to see that. Are you kidding me? Come on. Let's go. Let's get back down. $16. All right, there's my entry right there at 19. Come on. Let's go. No. Didn't give me what I wanted. A little dangerous here. But I will take that back down. See if we can get a reject and move back down. Come on, let's go. I'm going to shoot for my 40 points, which is around 86. There we go. All right, I'm going to lock in a little bit. There's VWAP. It's a good number. All right, there was your 40 points from the 1 minute weighted. Took me 2 trades to get something. Drop back below VWAP. So the 50% of that big candle there is right around 463. Let's see what happens there. If we drop VWAP, that 500 might have been a good entry, short entry. There's 463. 50% of that candle wick. See if it drops below that. All right, so now we got a kind of a bearish move, right? So potentially now I'd be looking for entries up around 92 to 505. Okay, we're back above VWAP. I don't really like that. Yep, there was my move. 92. Come on, go, go. Okay, back up below VWAP. Trying to stay above it. Yeah, I'm not taking that trade. I don't want that trade. I need to get back around 87, 94, somewhere in there. A little higher. Come on. Get on up there. Come on. That's the sell I wanted. Damn it. Nope, it's going to get me. Come on back down. There we go. There we go. Come on down. $99. All right, we're back above VWAP. I'm going to just hold on here. Actually, a good entry right here to the short side with a small stop. I'm going to take that. Come on. All right, we might get a reversal here. Playing scared. That's what I'm doing. See, there's your move. It was a good play. 495, you know, because in your stop it could be 500. Getting caught in the VWAP trap. All right, watching this 5 minute. let's go. Come on. Take out that 15-minute opening range low. Okay. I'm going to take that. See if we can take out the prior low. Or the low. Session low. Session low's down there at 436. Could get stopped, yeah. Remember, I wasn't going to take those stupid trades. Only going to take the retracements. All right, got to get a little discipline here. Move back up. Come on, a little bit higher. A little bit higher, around 476 would be great. Okay, right there. We could go a little higher. Yeah, fucker. Back above 500. Come on, let's go. Trying to get back below VWAP. See if we can hold back below there. Nope. Come on. 10 seconds left. Sucker fish. Okay, 15-minute. Don't really like it. Gosh damn it. Okay. 15 minutes, going to go up and close the gap. Got 5 minutes left, so he could still come back down. Or we got to move up. Back to the 1 minute weighted. Nice 15-point reject. $5.25. close enough. All right, 97, so good 23-point reject so far. All right, back below VWAP. Nope. I'm going to watch this 15-minute. We got 3 minutes left. If we get back below 78, we should be going lower. Got 3 minutes left. Do I want to take that? That's the question. Not really, huh? That's why. Damn VWAP. All right, amount. Got to get out of here. Gosh damn. VWAP's going to kill me. Okay, too much shit on my chart. I can't see shit. All right, I still like that. I mean, it's still a good play. That move up. All right, I'm done. I can't do anything today. I got to get off the string. ATR's 27. I'm gonna have to wait for this 15-minute to close. Just tell me what we're doing there. I still like the short below 78. I still think that's where we're going. There you go. Just add a little insult to injury. Came down to 61. Got an inside candle on the 15, little resistor. Question is, what are we going to do? $15-minute. We came down. We took out the London high. And so far, it's kind of all we've done. We're back in the bear zone. trying to get below VWAP. The 5 minute short is at 60. Right here, we probably have to play something like that. $15-minute long will be above 522. Break out back above that. I mean, we're still up 260, so I guess I gotta, yeah, I don't know. I would have to think that the long is still in play. If we can get above this bear zone at 510, call it. Take out 522. See if we can get a push back up to the top, I guess. So I'll wait above the 1 minute weighted, which is at 517 now. Get above that 510, see if we can close a candle above that at 1 minute. Yeah, this was your money right here. And then that break up. $58, that's where I was at originally. Big move was made last night, and now we get the garbage. $10:35, so 25 more minutes. All right, looking for a move back above 510 at candle close. Ideally the 1 minute above, and then ideally above the 1 minute weighted. Right now, the only direction I got is, I mean, kind of a little sideways. I guess a 5 minute short is below 461. And then the long is above 521. 5 minute short, 5 minute long. Just going to be patient here while we go sideways. Yeah, that looks ugly. Look at that. But what do you see? You know, what stands out on this chart for me is this. Right? All those wicks. So they're trying to push it down, but buyers are stepping in. So could be that people are buying, so they want to keep the price down, get people to buy so they can take it up. Right? That's what I see. I might want to set up for like a 5 and 10. Back below VWAP. 1 minute close below, so technically short. 476. Back up. Yeah, see, I just can't take anything. Could put this in a big old box, I guess, but man, that's an ugly box. So we went up, came down. My low would be technically right here on this one, and then my up move, ugly is, well, ugly. See, I can't even figure out a box for here. So nasty. Even this one. So first box is something like, yeah, I'd probably do something like that. Maybe we're still in that original box. You know, really, it's like this. That's just ugly. So that would be 82 to 440, so that'd be 140 points, right? That's just ugly. Okay, 15 minutes, still looking. You got 7 minutes left. You know, if we don't push up here soon, break this high of 522, then it could drop back down. The 5 minutes got to push above, you know, really above the 1 minute weighted. We got to get above the 1 minute weighted to think, for me to get a little more bullish. There we go. You can do it. You can do it. Without me, you can do it. There's 518, 19, 22. Gonna do it. Yes, it can. Okay, 522, what was that 15 minute mark? Yeah, there you go. 522. Giving you 14 so far. Good 20 points. Alright, we're getting back to be bullish again. See if we can come down to 28, 29, maybe even 33. Come on. Okay, you got this 1 minute gap fill here. See if we can come down to here. But even that I don't like. I would rather let it come down and then get it on the back on the upswing. So first target somewhere around 30, 530 would be a good fill. 528. All right, we got a nice little sideways on the 1 minute. That's a good little sign. We could theoretically come down to 19 there. So this is what I would rather do. Buy. And then hopefully we can get down to 19. Otherwise I got my mouse right here at 35 ready to drop one, but I really don't want that one. All right, there you go. Come on. Okay, the 5 minute gap is at 12. So 17, 19, somewhere in there would be the best entry. You got the 1 minute weighted at 17. Going back below the 1 minute, not a good thing. Okay, so either we move up or I got to get out. Come on, let's go. Come on, stay up there. Come on. Got to get a push back up. Come on. I'm going to move up to 35. There we go. Come on, give me 50. All right, I'll lock that in. Lock that in. All right, decent trade. Not bad. See if we can do it again. Came a little farther down than I would have liked. Came down to 13, which I wasn't expecting that, but that was the 5 minute gap fill. Almost at the tick. So that was actually a good play. I probably should have doubled up on that one. All right, looking for another one. See if we can come down to 39. Not a big fan of the 5 minute. brand new 15 minutes, so we could play a little bit of games and come down even further. So we got to be just a little careful here. But that might have been all we get right there. Yeah. Should have probably entered in at 51 and then took another one at 42. That probably would have been a good play. All right, we're coming up to yesterday's open at 572. Been there before. Shouldn't be a thing. It isn't. Okay, got a somewhat of a bullish 5 minutes, so that's looking good. Still got 2.5 minutes on that. Let's see if we can come down to 57, 56, somewhere around maybe 50 would be good. I'd probably be interested in that. Nope, all we got is 55. Come on, give me 51. I don't think we're going to get there. We could. Nope. One minute left on the 5. I'd like to see him come down to 50. I just don't think he will. He's got 1 minute left. See if he can do the 1 minute suck back and suck on back. Nope. That's what I'm looking for right there. He's going to take off, it looks like. Or maybe wait for the last second. Come on, baby. Get on down there. Didn't want that to happen. Okay. 5 minute be 61.50. Yeah, we were already there. Darn it. Ideally, I'd like to be in around 59. We're above VWAP. We're above the 1 minute weighted. We got over here, we got this guy to go through at about 82. 82 should bring this guy back into play at 600 and then a move up. So I'd actually like to get a long in here. 62. 15 minute, what are you doing? All right, you got 7 minutes left on the 15. So if I can get one in around 52, I'd like to bring them up, probably go up to the session high of 619. Come on down. I just don't think it's going to come down that low. I mean, 62 would be about the open with 63. So I just don't think we get that low. I'll move up to 65. Come on, baby. Reach down there and grab me. Oh. Yeah, I should have stayed there. What do you got filled? All right, took one off. I'm not interested in going lower, so I'll go ahead and take it out. Come on. That's some bullshit right there. It's one thing about, you can see there's a big difference between, these guys have taken the same trades, and look at the difference on TakeProfitTrader, CGI, or CGC versus Rhythmic. That's the difference. Same trades. These guys have been mimicked. And look at that fucking $600 difference. Well, that helped a little bit. All right, we got a little bit of a cross going on. I don't really like it. You got 3 minutes on this 15. Not sure what he's going to do now. I do like a move back above to go long. So somewhere about there. How much time left on the 15? Okay, we got 3 minutes. See if we can get a push up now. That was a good buy down there. Damn it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push it up. 3 minutes left on this 15. Let's see if we can push it up and get past whatever that is. Bears last stand. That Bears last stand is leading up to his name today. He's holding everybody back. See if we can get a close above that. That would be pretty big. Gosh damn it. Come on, you can do it, big boy. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. I'll lock in 580 if we can get up there. 581. Trying to get above yesterday's open. All right, we're above that. Trying to. Nope. That's 571. Then we got to get back above 82. That seems to be the that prior 15 minute there. 582.25. If we can get above that, we could rock on up. Might be a little rocky getting there though. There we go. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Go, baby. I'm going to stay where I'm at. I'm going to close out my TakeProfitTrader. He's at 500. He's good where he's at. Oh, 485. That's all right. I need my apex to get on up now. Okay, we're up 5. I got to lock in 5. So 25 would be 86. I'm at 80. I can get to 85. Let's see if we can get on up above 600. $600, and then we'd be shooting for IB high 620.75. That's kind of where I think we're going to be heading. Trying to get above the opening range. There might be a little bit of resistance there. Opening range high at 600. There we go. Push above that. I'm up $1.77. Come on, baby. Up 900 on this trade. There's 1,000. Pushing up. It's going to take me out. Beautiful. There's IB. Probably could have waited for that. All right. That's good for me today. I was down 700. Got him back. Good trade. Hopefully you guys like that. Huh? Good $1,200, $1,300 trade. Bam, bam. Booyah. Boom, boom, as they say. All right, IB would have been a good trade. IB's at 620.75. We got up to 640. Good 20-pointer. I did not take it. We're coming back down. I would love to take it, but we're into that 15-minute area there where we got to get above that. That's about 631. And then the next location up, I could just take this and move that right to there. And say, get on, boy. That's actually yesterday's, was that yesterday's high? Looks like yesterday's high right up there at 694. Kind of where I mentioned earlier that was the target. All right, we're coming back down below IB. We're up 360 now. Let's see, IB 620. 610 would be my stop if I was there. But I'm not. Move back up, yep, 620. I might even try that. Nope, I'm good. I got to stop. All right, that was good. Thank you for being here. We're getting a little better. I'm playing those retracements. So, getting back to some old school trading, the way I used to trade. And got myself into a little bit of trouble in that garbage this morning. So, I don't know how to work on that yet. Other than I did an okay job of not trading during this little period. But I still took too many trades that got me. But they were more, I think, in this area versus this area. So hopefully that's what showed on the tape. Hopefully when I review it, I will look to see. But not bad. Got back to where I needed to. That was the main important thing. 500 on take profit is good, and I wanted 500 on this guy, but first day trading him, like I said, I lost my other two on a malfunction of a bot that was not supposed to be playing either one of these. It was just an accident, so it happens. Anyway, thanks for being here. We will do it again on Monday. Hopefully everybody has a great weekend. I'm going to actually here. So I'm up. What am I up? 394. So 394. I'm kind of using, this is my free journal. And let's say this is old school. This is what I started trading like back on the 13th of thing when I finally got so pissed off, and I think I cut the stream off on the 12th. Because I was so tired of losing. I was losing every freaking day. And I did have a bad day here. I got to control that. That's one of my learning points. So I lost my PAs. Bam. Now I'm getting them, trying to get them back. Anyway, so let me put this guy up. What did I say I was up? 394. 394. Ticker and Q. I'll just put this morning in here. Profit loss there, so I need to go long, so I'm going to go up 394. I'm going to call it 380. It's good. And then good day, okay day actually, was down, I don't know, 900. I don't remember what I was down, but it was close to 900. So wait for it. I think that's my key word, is wait for it. Wait for the trade. So save that. There we go. All right, add another 300. All right, so that's my free journal thing. Da-da-da. It is what it is. I like to put, on the free one, I'm putting just my daily one. And then I have another one, a more advanced one that's really cool. We've got some great insights, graphs and stuff like that, that I'm still finishing touches on. So it'll be out soon. All right. Again, thanks for being here. Appreciate it. And have a good weekend. And we got some, maybe potential, some peace in Ukraine from Russia. You know, how many times you heard that. But hey, got to be optimistic.